Hey everyone, glad to see you back here. Today, I'm going to show you an easy trick for calligraphy that will help you do it effortlessly. Now, just take two pencils and join them together. You can use tapes or even a rubber band, whatever you have at home. Place one pencil a little forward and the other slightly behind, then secure them with tape. And now we'll write Palestine. Let's pray for the people of Palestine. May Allah protect them. Ameen. The next step is to add an outline to make it look even better. Now we'll fill it in with black color. It's time to add green. Now we'll color it red. If you want to learn, be sure to watch the entire video. Now it's time for the finishing touch, adding black color. We'll do it very slowly and carefully so the color doesn't spill out.